Hello students, let's do some more 1 mark questions. If the center of a circle is 3 and 5, we have a circle whose center is, let its O, 3 and 5 are the coordinates of center. The endpoints of the diameter are 4, 7 and 2 wide. What is diameter? A chord which passes through the center. Let AB is the diameter. The endpoints of diameter are 4, 7 and let B be 2 and Y. What we have to find? We have to find the value of Y. As we know, center is the midpoint of diameter. As per our midpoint formula, what is midpoint formula? x2 plus x1 upon 2 and y2 plus y1 upon 2. For the x coordinate, 4 plus 2, x2 plus x1, 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2 upon 2, and the other one will be y plus 7 upon 2. These are coordinates of O as per midpoint formula. Since O is center of AB, these are the coordinates of O, and the coordinates of O are given, which are 3 and 5. Now, x coordinate is equating with x6 by 2 equals to 3. Both are same. What about y coordinate? Y plus 7 upon 2 equals to 5. Take 2 to the right hand side. Y plus 7 equals to 10. And what will be the value of y? 10 minus 7 equals to 3, which is our answer. Therefore, option A is the correct option. In the given figure, this is sector of a circle whose radius is 10.5 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of a sector. For finding the perimeter of this sector, this angle is 60 degree. What we have to take? We have to take the length OA, OB and the length of this arc. OA and OB are radii, 10.5 centimeters. What about the length of this arc? We have to find it. Length of arc will be, what is the formula of finding the length? Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 degree. 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5. 6 6 are 1.5, 2 3s are and 3 2.5. 22 into 0.5, 11 centimeters is the length of arc. Now what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of sector. What will be the perimeter of sector? Length OA plus OB plus length of arc. OA is radius 10.5 plus OB is also radius 10.5 plus length of arc is 11. What will be the answer? 21 plus 11, 32 centimeters is our perimeter of sector. Clear? If tan A equals to cot B, find the value of A plus B. बच्चे, you know tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Now, we have tan A equals to cot B. Tan A equals to, now cot B can be written as tan 90 minus B. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. In the same way, we can write cot B as tan 90 minus B. On equating this tan, we will not cancel it. On equating tan, what we can write? A equals to 90 minus B. taking B left side, A plus B equals to 90 degrees, and this is our answer. Find the class marks of the classes 1535 and 4560. First is 15 to 35. This is our class interval. What we have to find? We have to find class mark. What is the formula for class marks? Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Now 15 is lower limit, 35 is upper limit. Class marks will be 35 plus 15 upon 2. That is 50 by 2. 25 is the class mark for this interval. For second, 45 to 60. Lower limit is 45, upper limit is 60, and the class marks will be upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. That is 105 upon 2. 52.5 is the class mark. Clear? In triangle ABC, AB is given 6 root 3 centimeters, AC is given 12 centimeters, and side BC is given 6 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find angle B. Now bache, AC is the longest side. Let's check by using Pythagoras theorem. Is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square? AC is 12 centimeter, 12 square equals to what is AB? 6 root 3 centimeter square plus BC is 6 centimeter 6 square. What is 12 square? 144. 6 root 3. 6 root 3 into 6 root 3. 6 into 6, 36. Root 3 into 3, 3. 36 into 3, 108. Plus 6 ka square, 36. 144 equals to 144. Since left hand side equals to right hand side, therefore Pythagoras theorem is applicable. It means it is a right angle triangle in which AC is the longest side, and you all know that hypotenuse is the longest side. This is AC 12 centimeter. What will be this vertex? B, and angle B will be 90 degrees. Therefore, our answer is 90 degrees. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are. We have two triangles. Let ABC and PQR. When two triangles are similar, if it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides, side AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to BC upon QR. If this situation is fulfilled, then our triangles are similar. Therefore, the answer will be two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. Euclid division lemma states that for two positive integers a and b, there exists unique integer q and r satisfying a equals to bq plus r. These four options are given. You have to find the correct option. What is A? Dividend. What is B? Divisor. Q is quotient. And R is remainder. Now, which of these options is correct? Suppose बच्चे you are dividing 17 by 2. 17 is our dividend and 2 is divisor. 2 8s are 16. What is remainder? 1. Now, we cannot divide it. This is divisor, dividend, quotient. Remainder is always less than divisor. This remainder can be 0. We are dividing it by 18. 2 9s are 18. What is remainder? 0. If we have 19, 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 1. We can't get remainder 2. 2 is our divisor. Therefore, the remainder will always be either 0 or less than divisor. Therefore, which is our option? Option C is our, this is option C is our correct option. Remainder is always greater than or equals to 0 and less than B. As in this case, B is divisor. Divisor is 2. Remainder can be either 1 or 0. It can't be 2 or greater than 2. Clear? If a number x is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, find the probability that x square is less than 4. X square is less than 4 means, you know, if x square equals to 4, what will be the value of x? Plus minus 2. Root 4 is plus minus 2. In case x square is less than 4, it means x is greater than -2 and less than 2. Now, what are our possible outcomes? We have possible outcomes 7, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 or 3. We can get any of these numbers. Now, what will be our favorable outcomes? The value of x must be greater than -2 and less than 2. It is our number line 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2 and 3. Number greater than -2, here it is -2 and less than 2. Greater than -2 and less than 2 means the numbers can be either -1 or 0 or 1. Favorable outcomes will be 3. Now, what will be the probability of getting a number where x square is less than 4 will be favorable outcomes 3 upon total outcomes. 3/7 is our answer.